Hello guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a transparent watermark with like a logo, like an image. So make sure to like and subscribe and comment any tutorials you want me to do. So the first app you're going to go on is Fonto. And when you go onto Fonto, you're going to go on plain images. You're going to scroll all the way down. Not all the way, but basically you just need a green background. You basically just need a green screen. So pause the video, screenshot it. Have you got it? Okay, let's continue. So you're going to want to add text. So I have copied my logo. It's the Scarlet Witch logo, if you guys didn't already know that. So if you want shadow, then you need to add shadow. So once you've got it like that, I'm gonna put my username, and you're just gonna shrink it down. And again, you're gonna add that in the middle. I like the shadow like that because you can actually see it, you know. And you basically want it like that. Basically. Make that like a little smaller. And then you're going to save that. Then you're going to click off and you're going to go to CapCut. When you go to CapCut, you're going to open a new project. You can get a photo, say example for your edit. I have this behind the scenes picture. So you're going to press overlay, add overlay, and then you're going to add your green screen picture. You're going to go to splice and you're going to press overlay. Once you've done that, you're going to scroll along and you're going to go to chroma key. You're going to do it on the green and intensity. Don't put it up all the way because it will look like that. If you leave it, you can actually see it. And then make sure you add the shadow, because if you look, you can see the shadow much better when you do that. And there you go. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and let me know what other tutorials I should do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!